Be nice. Be nice. Nice, Mama. Mama's like, I don't know what to do. I want to play, but I don't know what to do. You're a good girl. You're a good mommy. Where'd you go? Where did she go?
What's she doing, Anastasia? Come here, baby.
Go get her.
Come here, Anastasia. No, don't bite. Oh, come here. You're fine. Come here. Come here, Goober.
Like, it's a toy. I'm going to play with you.
What is that?
Oh. What? Is she talking to you? Does she want to talk to you? Nice. No, don't biting the bird.
Remember, it's gentle.
Don't biting the bird. I saw your teeth.
Gentle, Mama. It's gentle.
You got your feathers all ruffled thanks to the kitty, huh? Hey!
Oh, hey. Nice. Oh, look, you pulled out one of her feathers.
Oh. She says, I don't want it now. You can have it. Mama, it's okay. Come here.
Hey.
Okay, we're not mad at you.
You're okay, Anastasia.
You just don't know what to do with that bird. You think it's a toy to play with. It's not a real toy. Nope.